guys, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. So good morning,
Wagwan. Wagwan, my daughter. What y'all say?
Okay, you guys, my little Jamaican boy is heading off to school right now. Took his snack for after school.
Mama?
After school here. Yes, sir.
I'm going to drink my apple juice.
Okay, have your apple juice. So we're opening full school routine swing. Sarah is about to get up and have her bottle. I'm about to make my green juice. Baby's off to work. So yeah, we're just on our routine this morning. Hopefully you guys are having a good day and prioritizing and doing everything that you guys have to do. I'm going to drop my boys to school and get back and get my workout in.
And Papa's going to Réunion.
Yes, Papa is going to a school meeting later. A school meeting in French is called reunion.
Réunion. Réunion, not Réunion.
Reunion. You have to get the French R in there. Reunion.
Why do I think the R so strange?
Because I'm a Jamaican, I struggle to say the R properly.
It's too hard.
Yes, the R is very hard for Mama to say. Understand?
Yes.
The R is not easy for Mama at all. The R in the alphabet in French is the hardest letter for Mama to pronounce.
Mama, say re.
Re.
No, say re.
Re. You see, it doesn't sound like yours.
Say union.
Union.
It's like that how it is.
Okay.
How many syllables in that word?
I don't have time right now.
Union. Three. Normal. Tyler.
I know I'm not 100, but I know my green juice is helping my immune system a lot. But my little stubborn husband, he don't want the green juice and he doesn't want the ginger, which help the immune system a whole lot. But him, he's never, he can't stand ginger in his throat. And he doesn't want the green juice at all.
Except if she's making smoothie here, Mom.
Yeah, but ginger not in smoothie.
I know.
Alright. Have your apple juice and put on your shoes so I can go pick up your sister. I need to make her bottle at the same time. The multitasking is on, y'all. The multitasking is on. And then I need to get her dressed because it's chilly outside. So everybody have to jacket up, especially in the morning. Yes, Stella. Okay. Chin. Alright, get ready. Put on your shoes.
But I didn't. I told you I didn't finish my apple juice.
So finish your apple juice and put on your shoes. Alright, you guys. Let's go find the girl. Let's go find the daughter. The daughter. Good morning, daughter. Good morning, daughter. Bless you, daughter. Bless you. Oh, bless you, sneezing little heart. Mama. Hi. Ready for your bottle? Here we go.
Hello. 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 Hello.
What are you doing? What's wrong?
Sarah. Sarah. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Is your diaper big? Oh, your room door is open. Where is she gone? In the bathroom? All set and ready to go. Tell Face bye-bye. Tell Face bye-bye.
Later. I'm doing just like if I was a bear.
Ready? Ready? Ready, ready? Yes. Ready, ready? Ready, ready, ready? Who is home and rushing?
Rushing is the right word.
Where you rushing to?
Out of school. Hi guys. Oh, I'm rushing everywhere. Thank you.
You have pen?
Yeah, I should have a pen. Or give me
That
one.
one little paper is enough?
Yeah, should be fine. You have a pen to give me? I think that's a
You
pen.
can get that one in the book.
Yeah, take this.
Make sure you ask the teacher about the redness of his shoes
Okay.
and his clothes. Every day Tyler come home, his clothes and his shoes is red. Red like red oak Jamaican redness. And one parent that I know, she said her daughter is the same. So I don't know what kind of red oak they have used cleaning the floor of the school. But it have to be red oak. It can't be nothing else.
Alright, have to go. Tyler meeting. I'm not gonna wear
You
this.
sound better.
Really.
You just sound different.
I'm hot like crazy now.
Well, if you have this on,
Oh, it's the bus.
the bus what?
The bus makes me hot.
Yes, so you take this up when you go in the bus. It's the same thing with me. I can never drive in the bus in anything wrong. I'll just die.
I love you.
Bye.
Bye.
See you in an hour.
Alright, I'll let you know.
Mm-hmm. That's okay. It's so fun. You guys, I am going to try and figure out what for dinner right now. I've been just working. There is so much to do when it comes onto YouTube. You guys have no idea. This is literally a business. A lot of people don't understand that when you go on your Instagram and you go on your Facebook and you go on all your other social media platforms and you say, guys, please go and watch my video, please go and like my video. I get paid to do something that I love. I get paid to show you guys how I live. It's not much, but every small victory is count for me. And it's a joy to know that you can do something that you love and you get a little reward for it. And the more we grow, of course, is the more salary that we'll gain. And the more you watch and don't skip through the video, it's the more salary that you'll gain. So yeah, guys, please watch the videos, and thanks to everyone that have been watching for over the years. But there's so much that goes into just one video, and there's so much to learn, and there's so much that I don't know, because of course I don't have a mentor like all these big channels. I don't have someone who edits for me like all these big channels, and I'm doing everything alone. I'm trying to figure out everything alone. I'm trying to grow the channel on my own, everything amongst everything else that I do. Plus I have more than one channel. I have my food channel, which have over 10,000 subscribers, and recently started my fitness channel, which have almost 1,000 subscribers. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my fitness channel, please go ahead and show your girl some love, and show your girl some love over on my fitness channel. Plus I have to take care of my family, so it's so much I have to get done in a day. Sometimes I have to take off my glasses at night and say, okay Mel, breathe, turn off the laptop now. You cannot figure out everything in a day, in a week, in a month, not even in a year. There is just always something to learn. It's just always something to do. And you know, when you reach out to some of these big YouTubers, they're not replying to you, they're not helping you. You have to figure everything out on your own. A lot of people is selfish with information, because of course there's strategies and ways to grow on YouTube, and not everybody is willing to share that knowledge with you. Best believe that YouTube is a big platform and there's space for everybody. And remember, I tell you, if I find out that there is a way, a strategy to grow my channel, and someone asks me for that help, I am going to tell you everything I know wholeheartedly, without even itching, without even a glitch. Because there is room for everybody. There's so much people in the world. More than half of the world watches YouTube. Everybody can grow, everybody can win. So hey, the day I find out the strategy and you start a YouTube channel and ask me how it's done, I'll let you know. But for now, I know no other way apart from posting every day and all the other little things that I know. And I can tell you that everybody that has reached out to me who have started a YouTube channel and want, as I tell them, everything I know and everything I do. So the day I find out the method of what all the other big YouTubers use, I'll be happy to share. Anyway, you know, my rambling girl. I am going to go in the lab. First thing first, I need to pack out this dishwasher, and I need to figure out in my head and come up with dinner real quick. And my girl is going to wake up from her nap any minute, because it's almost 4:30 and she normally wake up at 4 o'clock to 4:15. So she is gonna wake any minute. So I'm gonna have to pause from the kitchen and feed her snack. Normally I would finish cooking before she wakes up, but I really wanted to try and finish up what I was doing on the computer, and it just didn't happen. So sorry, I'm turning my back to talk and talking to you guys, but y'all know how we go with multitasking. You gotta do what you gotta do. So I have figured out dinner. My girl woke up and I fed her already. Now she's been a good sport watching TV, so Mama can cook, so I can leave this house in 30 minutes. So for dinner today, I am making a quick saute shrimp. I'm making some veggie pasta and broccoli, carrot, and corn. Yes, girl. That's what's on my menu today. Alright, you guys, so here goes dinner. Garlic shrimp is ready. Veggies ready. Pasta is ready. So my job for today is done. Full of colors, honey. Yes. Aranda heading down the street to meet the boys. Babe called me and says he's gonna pick up Ty because parent teachers meeting is finished. Though it wasn't time for him to leave after care as yet, but he's gonna pick him up. So I'm just going down to meet them. And let Sarah get a little fresh air because Sarah look forward to go and meet Tyler in the evening. So she's pretty excited. Look at her. Look like a little sheep. Let me see your face. Let Faith see. Let Faith see you. You're so cute. This used to be your brother's own. You know that? Huh? Come, let's go get brother. Sarah, who is that? Sarah, look. Who is that? Hi. What happened to your face?
Nothing.
Mosquito bite in your forehead?
I think yes.
So Sarah getting excited to see you. You know this one used to be yours?
Ça va?
Yeah.
Oui.
Hello.
Quand Tyler il va rentrer dans le mur.
Mama?
Yes, I think you color every day. You didn't color today?
I didn't.
Yeah. What did you do today?
I told you I didn't color everything.
What did you do today?
I eat puree.
You eat puree?
Yeah.
What else?
Bread.
Huh?
Bread.
Bread. And what else? Cheese. And what else? Carrot. And what else? Huh?
Eclair au chocolat.
Oh.
What I love.
And what else?
That's it.
And that's it. So you had a good day, right?
Yes, and I want to tell you something about the puree.
Tell me.
When I eat the puree,
Uh-huh.
I love it.
You love it? What kind of puree was it?
Puree?
Puree quoi?
I don't know.
Okay. But you eat up all of it?
Yes, so many times I eat up all of it. At each time I finish, I want more. I eat that like 5 or 7 times.
So you asked for more?
Yes.
Choo-choo?
Yes.
And they gave you more?
Yes.
Really?
Yes. Because I love it and I
Choo-choo-choo-choo?
Yes.
Oh my God. I didn't know you could ask for more at canteen.
Astronaute pour pouvoir explorer l'espace et voler jusqu'à la Lune. Suis-moi et nous apprendrons plus de choses sur l'espace.
Look how aggressive this little girl is. This is Sarah every single day. Y'all know she loves water. Look at her. Just look at her. What did the water do to you? Why are you so mad at it? Princess, why are you so mad at the water? This is the way we brush your teeth, brush your teeth, brush your teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth. We do it every day. This is the way we brush our little teeth. Good girl! Yay! Bravo! Appa! Look, Delaveaus night night. I'm gonna bed. I'm gonna bed. I'm gonna bed. I'm gonna. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna really show you guys the nighttime routine that we're doing with the kids. One of these vlogs. Sarah is heading to bed right now. Tyler is already off the bed. So I'll catch you guys before 9 a bit. Say bye bye. Look, bye bye. Bye bye.